Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 mAh power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
The Bitcoin market was in a state of turmoil as it struggled to regain its footing after a recent surge. The U.S. Trade Court's decision to strike down President Trump's tariffs on China sent shockwaves through the global economy, and Bitcoin wasn't immune to the effects. One key takeaway from this development is that the court's ruling has effectively nullified some of the protectionist measures put in place by the Trump administration. This move is likely to have a significant impact on trade flows and, as a result, on commodity prices, including those of precious metals like gold and copper. But what does this mean for Bitcoin? Well, for one thing, it suggests that the global economic landscape is becoming increasingly interconnected. As trade tensions continue to rise, investors are becoming more cautious about taking risks in markets such as cryptocurrency. This could lead to a decrease in investment activity and higher volatility for Bitcoin in the short term. Furthermore, the decision to nullify tariffs on China has implications for the supply chain of critical components used in Bitcoin mining, such as semiconductors and hard drives. A shortage of these components could have significant consequences for the overall health of the Bitcoin network, leading to reduced mining capacity, higher transaction fees, and a decrease in overall network security. It's also worth noting that the court's ruling has sent a strong message about the limits of government intervention in the digital economy. As governments around the world continue to grapple with issues related to taxation, regulation, and censorship, it's clear that they will need to tread carefully when it comes to Bitcoin, which operates largely outside the realm of traditional finance. So what does this mean for the future of cryptocurrency? Well, as we've seen time and again in recent years, the regulatory landscape is constantly evolving. While the current ruling may provide some relief for investors in Bitcoin, it's unlikely to be the last word on the matter. As governments continue to navigate the complex issues surrounding digital currencies, we can expect to see a range of different responses, from increased regulation to more stringent guidelines. One thing is certain, however: the world of cryptocurrency is here to stay. And as we move forward into an increasingly interconnected global economy, it's essential that investors and policymakers alike are aware of the potential implications for Bitcoin and the broader digital currency space. The court's decision may have been a setback for President Trump's trade policies, but it's also provided a valuable lesson about the importance of carefully considering the potential impact of government action on emerging markets like cryptocurrency. As we look to the future, it's clear that Bitcoin will continue to play a major role, and those who fail to adapt will be left behind. The Bitcoin Bulletin will continue to monitor this story closely, providing updates and analysis as more information becomes available. In the meantime, stay informed and stay ahead of the curve with the latest news from the world of cryptocurrency.